how to turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture in just a few simple steps. So first things first, open up Facebook and go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on add profile picture. There tap on select profile picture and choose a profile picture from your camera roll or your uploads. Once you've chosen it, make sure to untick the share your update to news feed. So after you have done that, hit the save button and your profile picture will be saved. So tap on the profile picture and tap on see profile picture. Then tap on the three dots and here you'll find edit privacy, tap on it and then tap on only me and tap on done. After this, people won't be able to like and comment on your Facebook profile picture. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.